This is clearly a descending channel. We broke it and then the price starts going to the downside. Do keep eye on this 9,300 area. It's very important. Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. So those people who actually watched my video yesterday, my previous video, they know exactly we were talking about price getting like possible reversal after reaching a particular key area. And those people who actually watched my video only when I was talking about this last point of supply area where the price was somewhere around here, and they were like, hey, now you are wrong because the price is going in an upward direction. Guys, it doesn't matter, because the point here is to identify where the trend is actually heading. It's not about, okay, I called it here and now the price is like 50 points above it or 50 points below it. Doesn't matter. You have to get the picture, right? The picture right now, as you can see, we said what happens after reaching this last point of supply. Price usually tries to break the previous level structure and then it gets reversed. And look, I wrote it pretty clearly. 9,300, 9,350 area, important key level. If it fails to break this price level, it will go back following its original trend. And now look, around this 9,300 area, exactly there we got a rejection, and now the price is also showing some sort of like movement in the downward direction. But if you look here, this Wyckoff's distribution schematic, even in a like another theory, guys, you can see this whole was a pretty nice rising wedge, isn't it? Rising wedge in a falling market is a bearish scenario. And look, we broke this rising wedge. We can see here, we broke it and then the price started going to the downside. And now if you look at here, this one, this similar scenario, it's smaller, right? But still it's a rising wedge. In a downtrend, a rising wedge is a bearish scenario. And also, if you look at here properly, the price has already broken the rising wedge, just like here. And now it's possibly going to the downside. And not only this, guys, we also have one scenario here regarding this weekly CPI and monthly CPI. We can see this here, this 9,300, 9,350 area was a crucial area. We can see the price came here, it failed to break this structure. After that, it got reversed. It came back here. It found really like hard to break this key level, isn't it? You can see here when it broke, it went like straight to the upside and got rejection around this monthly R1 line. This green line is a monthly R1 line, and after that we started falling downward. And look, when the price came to this key level again, if there is no rejection around this area, price straight goes to break the previous high. And in this case, it also like went really massively without any hesitation around this area, right? But it actually failed to break the previous high and it came back. But when you notice it clearly, when it came back, what did the price did? It came to this key level structure again, guys. Look, this key level was a rejection here, rejection here. Now this key level is a support here. Price found support around this particular area and started continuing upwards, isn't it? This is what I was actually trying to show most of the people. If you look properly here, now there might be another case because it is clearly not in an uptrend, right? It's now making lower highs and lower lows. If you look at this structure like this, guys, you can also get another image, right? Price is falling. It's making lower highs and lower lows. And look, same scenario. When it broke here without any support, it fell massively, isn't it? This is what I was actually trying to show most of the people. Yesterday when we were talking about this LPSY area here, somewhere around this area, this was here, right? When we did this video, the price was somewhere around it. And this was the key level, this 9,300. And if you look at this 9,300 key level, it came, but it failed. Just like here, guys, it failed. If there was no any like hesitation around this area, it could have just went like this straight to the upside. That's why I was talking about the key level, the importance of key level, because most traders I know, they are waiting for this kind of key level, because you can see after reaching the key level, if the price finds support, it usually indicates the trend is going to the upside. And when it's not finding any support, there is a massive free fall. Look at this, and now it's a rejection sign, right? Price could actually also come back to test this key level again and again. So please do keep eye on this 9,300 area. It's very important. This rising wedge is also broken here. It fell massively to the downside. And same scenario, if you focus on our current price movement, we can see rising wedge, the wedge is already broken, right? The lower wedge, and now it's falling clearly to the downside. And this is indication that we are now slowly entering the phase E area. So you have to be very careful. Price might also get pushed to break the previous level structure, and it might still continue to the downside. And also, if you look at this here, guys, this here is in a 4-hour time frame and this is in a 45-minute time frame. This is clearly a descending channel. When the price came to this area, this upper line of the channel, it got rejection and the price started going downside. And also this line here, this was our key level structure, this around this 9,300 area, isn't it? So right now this below here, which is around 8,950 area, is also going to be a very, very strong support. And we have to see if the price is going to hold around this area or not, because now it's clearly showing that it's making lower highs and lower lows. If you look at the price movement right here, also in 45-minute time frame, this below, it's clearly making lower highs and lower lows, lower highs, and now it's indicating somehow like it's going to go even lower than this previous lower structure, which was around like 8,800 area. So this here also is indicating right now maybe we are going to test this lower line structure. So if you're trying to take advantage of this market at the moment, guys, what you can do is wait for price to come to certain level, I mean a key level, and also wait for proper confirmation. That's very important. And the next most important thing, use proper risk management, and I'm sure you are going to be in a safe hand. So guys, by saying this, I'm signing off. Until next time, bye bye.